Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week's video, we went back to basics with hand tools and a power drill. Sometimes viewers point out that we call ourselves poor man, but we have expensive tools.
And because of this, they kind of make fun of the channel itself. We realize they're trolling. In one sense, they have a good point. But we stand by our name in that we do some projects that are rather large that we have gotten prices from contractor that would have been 10,000 plus, and we do it for under 1,000 or so by doing it. So we stick by the brand name. But we kind of like the idea of thinking about going back to the beginnings when we only had sand tools and a power drill. So this week we decided we were going to do that, and by coincidence one of the sponsors that we've had in the past has offered to give us a set of hand tools. So we're going to use that and build this project this week. So let's get right into it.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment. This helps our channel grow. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Yep, he was just winging it.
Today we're going to use these hand tools and a power drill.
You can purchase wood at the big box stores and have them cut it for you. We're going to use threaded inserts to hold the wood tightly together. And now to install the threaded inserts.
We dry fit the step stool so we can make measurements for additional threaded inserts. Here's a tip. If you don't like using Allen wrenches, you can use a screwdriver with a proper bit and you can tighten the inserts much easier.
This step is not necessary, but we used a hole saw to cut a design in the wood. we decided to attach a handle to the stool. Now is some good old-fashioned sanding by hand. And now we're ready for assembly.
A little creative thinking that will be attached to the top of the handle. It's now ready for painting.
And now for the final step, stickers and polyurethane. Ta-da! We really enjoyed making this project, the step stool. It was very cute, and now we're gonna call out our granddaughter and come on over here and try it out.
Yeah. In a previous video, we had mentioned that our next video, we were going to be climbing on a roof and installing some new gutters. We had to put a hold on that. We just got strapped in and I had a safety harness, was ready to go outside and start trying out this new project. Unfortunately, I got a phone call and had to leave for emergency for a family member. So I want to do a real quick shout out. Dad, I'm glad you're doing much better. Hope you're enjoying the videos as always. Now for next week, we're not ready for the gutter yet, but we've got a project that we made, another going away gift for a friend. So until then, Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.